stop what you're doing. We've air fried an entire block of chocolate to create the ultimate dessert. The best part? It only takes 20 minutes to make. All you need is a block of Cadbury marble chocolate, 2 sheets of puff pastry and a beaten egg. Pop it in the air fryer for about 10 minutes and look at that crispy, gooey gorgeousness. We're obsessed.
This is the leftover dough from the other videos. Make sure you freeze them. Get this as thin as possible. Bro, don't put the wrapper in it. Castaways. You know it's straight press. Reese says puff, Reese says puff.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you see more videos as they come out.